The Texas Heart Institute Center for Cardiovascular Care's state-of-the-art clinical practice opened its new space in 2023. It promotes patient-centered care by providing comfortable, accessible, full-service cardiovascular care in one suite. Located in the heart of the world-renowned Texas Medical Center, the center offers the latest technologies available today that support its cardiologists, cardiac surgeons, nurses, and technicians as they provide quality care to the Houston community. At 19,600 square feet, the Cardiology Center is generally divided into two main areas: a cardiology clinic with 18 exam rooms equipped with easy access ergonomic exam tables, and a cardiology testing center for patient convenience. The Cardiology Testing Center offers diagnostic imaging areas including 5 dedicated echocardiography rooms and 2 advanced peripheral vascular imaging rooms. We offer the latest in stress imaging with cardiac PET-CT and SPECT and conventional treadmill testing. And as we enter our 7th decade, we remain steadfast in our mission to improve cardiovascular health through trailblazing research, thought leadership, education, and patient care. With an emphasis on quality, a willingness to take bold action, and a pioneering spirit of inquiry and discovery, our vision is to deliver the future of cardiovascular health today. Thank you for being part of our journey and trusting us with your care.